You are going to start notice some students cutting clips. They will be talking a lot about Dr. Seuss. We will have some kids sharing some things he wrote. They will express their thoughts with some of his favorite quotes. Next, we will have some other students that you will want to meet. They're going to read a book about different kinds of feet. Then you will meet a character who is nothing to sneeze at. He walks around telling stories. His name is the Cat in the Hat. The final thing that you will see is not a difficult job. You will get to witness your first reading mob. Today, you are you, and that's truer than true. There's no one alive who's fewer than you. Don't cry when this is over. Smile when this happened. Wipe it in when you're born to stand out. Today was good. Today was fun. But tomorrow is another one. You'll miss the best things if you keep your eyes shut. Think and wonder and think. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Think you can think anything that you wish. If you never did, you should. These things are fun, and fun is good. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Sometimes the questions are more complicated than the answers are simple. It is better to learn how to learn than know. The more that you read, the more that you'll know. And the more that you learn, the more places you'll go. A person's a person, no matter how small. You can control the future.
Be awesome. Be above that. All the things you can find if you don't stay behind. Will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing's going to get better in time. You're on your own and you know what you know, and you're the only one who will decide where to go.
Left foot, right foot, right. Feet in the morning, feet at night. Left foot, right. Left foot, high foot, low foot. Front feet, back feet, red feet, black feet. Left foot, right foot, feet. How many feet you meet? Slow feet, fat, quick feet, trick feet, sick feet. Up feet, down here, feet. Here come front feet. Small feet, big feet. Here come big feet. His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. In the house and on the street. How many feet you meet? Up in here, feet over a chair feet. More and more feet, 24 feet. Here come more and more feet. Left foot, right foot, feet. Oh, how many feet you meet?
That stars me, the cat in the hat. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two, and I said how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out, too cold to play ball. We sat in the house and did nothing at all. And all we could do was to sit one little bit. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. And we looked, and then we saw him step in on the mat. And we saw him, the cat, in the hat. And he said to us, "Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have fun. We can have good fun, that is funny." "I know some good games we could play," said the cat. "I know some new tricks," said the cat in the hat. "A lot of good tricks. I'll show them to you. Your mother won't mind. Will not mind at all if I do." Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. But our fish said, "No, no, let the cat go away. Tell the cat in the hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out." Now, have no fear. Have no fear, said the cat. "My tricks are not bad," said the cat in the hat. "Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish." "Put me down," said the fish. "This is no fun at all. Put me down," said the fish. "I do not wish to fall." "Have no fear," said the cat. "I'll not let you fall. I'll hold you up high as I stand on a ball, with a book in one hand and a cup on my hat. But that is not all I can do," said the cat. Look at me now," said the cat, "with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish and a little toy ship and some milk on a dish. And look, I can hop up and down on the ball, but that is not all. Oh no, that's not all. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun. What you got in the house? I can hold up the cup and the milk and a cake, and I can hold up these books and the fish on the rack. I can hold the toy ship and a little toy man, and look with my tail. I can hold the red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball, but that is not all. Oh no, that is not all." That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. No. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball, and Sally said, "We saw all the things fall." And our fish came down too, and he fell into a pot. And he said, "Do I like this? No, I do not. This is not a good game. No, I do not like it. Not one little bit." "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You sank our toy ship, sank it deep in the cake. You shook up our house and you bent our new rake. You should not be here when Mother is out. You get out of this house," said the fish in the pot. "But I like it here." "Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." "And so," said the cat in the hat, so, "I will show you another good game that I know." And then he ran out. And then fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back in with a box. A big red wood box. It was shut with a hook. "Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look." Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. "I call this game Fun in a Box," said the cat. "In this box are 2 things I will show you now. You will like these 2 things," the cat said with a bow. "I will pick up the hook. You'll see something new. 2 things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun." And out of the box came Thing 2, and thing 1. And they ran to us fast. And they said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with thing 1 and thing 2? And Sally and I did not know what to do. So we had to shake hands with things 1 and thing 2. We shook their 2 hands, but our fish said, no, those things should not be in this house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is out. Put them out, said the fish in the pot. Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things. And he gave them a pat. They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet, wet day. Here is a game that they like, said the cat. They like to fly kites, said the cat in the hat. No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump, oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it, not a little bit. And Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those 2 things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, 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 down the wall in the hall. Thing 2 and thing 1, they ran up, they ran down. On the string of 1 kite, we saw Mother's new gown. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw 1 kite bumped on the head of her bed. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hops and big thumps, and with all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? Then our fish said, look, and our fish shook with fear. And your mother is on her way home, do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way. Do something fast, said the fish, do you hear? I saw her, your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing 1 and thing 2. So as fast as I could, I went after my net, and I said, with my net I can get them, I bet with my net I can get those things yet. And then I let down my net, boom, and it came down with a plop. And I had them at last, those 2 things had to stop. And then I said to the cat, now you do as I say. You pack up those things and you take them away. Oh dear, said the cat, you did not like our game. Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come and she will find this big mess. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown, and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. And he put them away. Then he said, that is that, that is that. And then he was gone with the tip of his hat. Then our mother came in, and she said to us too, did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on here that day? Should we tell her about it? Or what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?